Let us solve a question on price ratio. The question is, your budget is such that if you spend your entire income, you can afford either 4 units of good X and 6 units of good Y, or 12 units of good X and 2 units of good Y. We have to find out the ratio of the price of good X to the price of good Y. Options are being given. We need to find out the correct option. Okay. So we are being told that if we spend our entire income, that means income gets exhausted on the two goods. Okay. So how do we write the budget constraint? That is the price of good X times units of good X purchased plus price of Y times units of good Y purchased should be equal to the income. Okay. Or if I write it in this fashion, X times price of X plus Y times price of Y should be equal to M. This is the general budget constraint. M denotes the income here. Now what, let us see what is the question asking us. So we are being told that if we can afford either 4 units of good X, so in place of X, let us first write here 4, then price of X plus and 6 units of good Y, so in place of Y we have 6 times price of Y should be equal to income. Okay, let us suppose this is equation first, and in another scenario we are being told we can either afford 12 units of good X, so in place of X we write 12, okay, then price of X plus, or we can also afford 2 units of good Y, that is 2 times price of Y should be equal to M. Let us say this is equation second, and here you can see since the RHS is same, we can equate LHS. Okay, how do we interpret it? Very simple. If we say that X is equal to 5, Y is equal to 5, can I say that X is equal to Y? Okay, it is obvious here. Since RHS is the same, we can equate LHS. That is the thing I am doing here. So from equation first and second, what we get, that is, and if I write it correctly, we have 4 times price of X plus 6 times price of Y. We equate the LHS of both the equations should be equal to 12 px plus 2 py. Okay, after that what will we do? Let us transpose this 4 px to RHS and this 2 py to LHS. So what will happen here? So we will get 6 py minus 2 py is equal to 12 px minus 4 px. Okay, transposing from one side to another side changes the sign. Okay, now 6 py minus 2 py is 4 py, and here 12 px minus 4 px is 8 px. Okay, so transposing this py here, it will get divided, and this 8 here, it will get divided, which implies that we will get 4 divided by 8 is equal to price of X upon price of Y, which implies price of X upon price of Y will be equal to 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, that is equal to 1 upon 2. That means the price ratio will be equal to 1 upon 2. I hope I make myself clear. Thank you.